Good morning everybody. Today I am going to tell you how to log in to the student badge created in the website PSS Central Institute of Vocational Education Bhopal. If you register into this site, you will be able to access all the interactive study material which would be helpful for your exams. So please watch this very carefully. The very first thing you have to do is to open your browser. Suppose we have a browser here, so I'm opening my Opera browser. Open a new tab and just type there psscive.ac.in. Please make a note of this URL somewhere. psscive.ac.in. So once you key in this particular URL, press enter to open it. The very first thing you should do is set it to your favorites page. So like for example, over here I have this icon over here, so I'm setting it as my favorite page. Done. And here you can see the URL. Now what you have to do is you have to go to this option publications and select the third option, that is employability skills e-learning. Click on this. You'll be able to see this whole web page here where there are some tutorial videos which you can see before starting attending the class. Then you have to click on this option over here. Please click here to run e-learning lessons. So click on this and a page will open. Although I was already logged in, so I will log out of this page. When you click on that particular ID and you are not a registered user yet, you will get this kind of a login page where you may have to enter your email. So I'm providing an alternate email of mine. So I have provided an alternate email over here. I'll click on next. You have to register as student, so I'll click on student. You will be setting your country, so suppose I set my country here. I set my state, district Bhopal, block and town Patel Nagar. Select the school, St. Montfort School. Select a password. So for the time being I am setting a sample password, that is you all can use this sample password in case you are not able to get certain things. So I'm setting this sample password over here for the time being. You have to retype your password, so I'm typing the password here. Okay, I think you were not able to see the password. Please look at the password here. This is your password. Okay, and once you do this, click on this option, I hereby accept, and click on submit.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So now over here you have to open your email. So you can go to the next tab and type there. Although I'm logged in from one account, I can always switch my account, so I'm just going to log out. And I'm going to select any account. If you don't find your email in this list, what you can do is, I'm first of all removing just to show you what you may get on your screen. If you don't see your email here, then you'll be seeing this page. So I'm just giving my email ID and I'm giving my password. So this is the password, and you can see over here, welcome to LearnWise. So click on this. When you click on this, you'll be able to see this page, verify email. You click on this link. So you can see you are getting a congratulations message over here. Again, you'll get a link over here, login to LearnWise. So click on that. Now when you get this, this is your page, and over here you can provide the email which you used for creating your account. Click on next. Your password which you had set, the password which I had set earlier, that is this password over here, this one. Okay, so I had set this password, and now I'm going to click on sign in. It is going to ask for this option here, that is website uses cookies. Just click on submit. Now it is going to ask for some additional details from you to complete your profile. You can upload a picture if you want, but I'm skipping that for the time being. That you can do it later on. So I'm entering my name, because Gargi Chattopadhyay is already the name which has been used for creating the faculty ID. So I'm using an alternate name over here. And you can provide your phone number. So I provided my phone number over here. I'll click on next. The year of graduation you have to provide, so I provide my year of graduation here. I graduated in the year 2005. And okay, it's asking please enter your year between 2020, because it's a student profile, sorry. So you can enter to 2020 over here, because you people have not yet graduated. And then I'm going to click on my gender, stream. You can select your stream. So suppose you can select your stream as general. I've selected my stream as general. Click on submit, and this is your page, your dashboard. Go to your dashboard, and over here you can start with your courses. So you can go to courses. Courses are not there, so you go to your profile name over here. Go to your profile, and over here you'll find all the different items which you need. So very first thing which you should make a list of is this thing, that is your institute code. Your institute code, this one, this part over here. So make a note of that. So I'm making a note of it as SMS S9316. This is the institute code, and I'm looking for any other option over here, nothing else. So I'll just go back now, and you have to be given the batch ID. So batch ID would be given to you. So I'll be giving you the batch ID. Yes, so batch ID will be provided to you by your instructor. Like I will be providing the batch ID. So this is exactly the batch ID which you have to use. So you can either note it down right now, but otherwise also it would be provided to you. So this is your batch ID and this is the institute ID. These two things are to be specifically taken care of. So I'm going to first copy this batch ID from here, and I will be pasting it over here in this area. Enter batch ID to join the batch. So here I will be pasting it and I'll be clicking on join. So now with this you can see that this page is created. You have already joined this session. This batch was already created by me as a faculty and now you have joined it. So you can see it consists of, so what you will be doing is, it's asking you a question here. Are you sure you want to join the batch? Please click on yes. Once you have joined the batch, enter the batch ID to join the batch. It is again giving you this, so I'm going to again enter this batch ID. Okay, so it's the same, it's a repetition, don't do it again and again. So you already have it over here. You can read, this is your batch, this is the batch which has been created. You are part of 9th class batch and this is one student profile. Right now this batch contains only one student. As and when you people go on adding yourself and registering yourself here, so you will be having your batches, and this, it's showing the instructor name, that is my name. If you want, you can use the chat option also from here to type any message, and I'll go to this option right now, this arrow. From here you can access all the sessions as you want. So over here you can click on this button play. It will start the sessions and you can access all those sessions right at home. Any other instructions which are given by me to you, you can also access that. So please do this and register yourself here. In the end, just one request to everyone, if you really benefit from this video, then please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Please do not forget, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. And thank you all for your love and support.